In this video, we're going to solving LeetCode 1390 for divisor. So first, let's quickly go through the problem statement and analyze some example in here. Let's say we have given an integer array nums. Return the sum of divisor of the integer in that array that have exactly 4 divisors. If there is no such integer in the array, return 0. So here is the example 1. We're going to have nums is the array of 21, 4, and 7. And you can see that 21 had 4 divisors, so this one is valid, okay? And 4 has 3 divisors, this one is not valid. 7 has 2 divisors, so this one is not valid. Just only 21 is valid. Nums had 4 divisor in this num array. So we're going to return the sum of the divisor of 21 is 32. You can see 1 plus 3 plus 7 and plus 21. So it's going to be 32. Okay, move to example 2. We're going to have a nums is two numbers, 21 and 21. So 21 going to have 4 divisor, and 21 in here also have 4 divisors. So it means the sum of the 21 will be equal 32, and the next is also 21 is 32, then plus 32 plus 32 is 64. So in here the sum is going to be 64. And then we're moving into the example 3. Let's say we have a nums is it list of this array. You can see that in list of that array there is no number has 4 divisors. So we're going to return 0 in this case. Okay. Then to solve this one, the first thing that I can do is I'm going to go through each number in nums. Okay, and then I'm going to check if that num has 4 divisor or not. If yes, then I'm going to sum all the divisor that it have. Okay, and then return the result. So let's say in here I'm going to go through each number in nums, and I'm going to check if that nums have 4 divisor or not. Let's say in here I'm going to create the function and find all divisor of a number. So let's say in here if I divisor, and we're going to have self and num. And let's say I'm going to create the list of divisor. We're going to list, and if let's say for e in range from 1 to num plus 1. Okay, and if num mod I equals 0, so that means this I is the the divisor of that num. Okay, and then we're going to append this to the divisor dot append I. Okay, and then we're going to return the divisors. Okay, and in here let's say I'm going to have a list of divisor as discussed, and we're going to have a cell and find divisor, and here is num. Okay, and here we're going to count gonna be equal divisors. Let's say is length of divisor, and then we're going to have sum of divisors gonna equal sum divisor. Then if count equal 4, so this means this one is has 4 divisor, so we're going to count the sum. So let's say I'm going to have the answer in here gonna be represent for the sum of all the divisors. So let's say if this number is valid, so I'm going to split this and plus equal the sum divisor. Then I'm going to return the ends. Okay, in here I'm going to let's say I'm going to remove the nodes in here. Okay, and the time complexity and place complexity for this. So let's say we're going to have go through the numbers of numbers, nums in the nums. Then we're going to have O and on, and we multiply with because in here we're going to have a list of the nums in here. We have a list of we go through a divisors. We go through the numbers to find the divisor of that num. So this is gonna be max of the nums. So it's gonna be max number. So let's say in here I'm going to have the max number. Okay, and then the space complexity would be O. Space complexity in here, I create the divisor list, but actually in this divisor is gonna be range. So it's not the whole, it's not the whole of that num, or it's not the whole, the nums in here. So basically it's just the space complexity is just constant time. So it's gonna be O1. Okay. So the problem with that issue is that it's going to you can see that in here we take O and max max number we need to follow. For example, if this one is 10 power 9 for the number that we have, so we're going to need to go from 1 to 10 power 5 to find all the divisors. So this one is we will try to optimize in this one. So let's say instead of try to go from 1 to num plus 1, so we will into apply the mass dot squared. So let's say in here I'm going to still keeping the divisors, and then in here we're going to follow from I to, let's say from 1 to math int and math dot squared square root, and this one gonna be the num, and we're going to plus 1 in here. Okay, and if num if num divide the mod I equal is 0, so we're going to append I. And other case, and if I is not and I is not equal num divide by I, then we're going to append divisor dot append num divide I. Okay, so what it mean by I will code this and we'll explain later. And then we just need to return the divisors in here. Okay, so in here we already optimized this to math dot squared square root. Now the time complexities in here is n, and we're going to have let's say we're going to have the max number is divided by m. Then we're going to now it's just the square root of n. Okay, and space complexity is still keep is 1. So the reason why that this one is correct, let me try to explain this in here. Let's say we're going to find pairing. So let's say in here we have number is we have number, let's say we have a 21, right? And let's say we go to 1 by 1, we go into the first we go into from 1 to math dot square of the 27's is 3. So we're going to go from 1 to 3. Okay, so let's say we take 21 and divide by 1. Okay, 21 divide by 1, so it's gonna be 20. So it's gonna be 1 and 21, because actually it's gonna be pairing the the number that divide for the number that divide for a number, and the remainder will be also the the divisor of that number. So basically, let's say we in here we divide 1 and we have 21. So 21 will be also the divisor 21 is also the divisor of that num, so it's valid. And let's say I equal 2. 21 cannot divide the 2, so we're not going to go through in this one. And if 20 and then we're going to go through 3, and 21 divided by 3 is gonna be append. We're going to append because it's valid, and then we're going to append this because 21 divided 3 will be have 7, and then 7 is also valid in here, so we're going to append this in here. But have some cases the number of divisor gonna be equal each other, so we don't have want to have a duplicate. So that's the reason why we're going to have the I is not allowed to equal num divided by I, because we already append this in here and we don't want have the duplication in here. So that is about the LeetCode 1390 for divisors. So thanks for listening and bye.